Okay, I guess it is speed quiz time! Yay! Finally, I am part of the speed quiz. I get my own speed quiz. Yay! Alright, bring it on, Walfiata. Bring it
Are
on.
you ready? Ready?
I am ready!
Alrighty. Let's do this. Hot or cold weather?
Cold
Rice or noodles?
rice noodles! There's rice noodles! Rice noodles!
Gasto or Saizeriya?
Gasto!
Twitter or Instagram?
Well, recently, just kidding, Twitter. Still Twitter.
Apple or orange juice?
Orange! Of course.
Climb a mountain or run a marathon?
Young Kiwa would have said run a marathon, but this Kiwa says climb a mountain. Let's go!
PC or console?
Console!
Pineapples on pizza, yes or no?
Yes!
Ooh, spicy or sweet food?
Sweet.
Tea or coffee?
Tea.
Vacation in a beach paradise or in a famous metropolitan city?
Beach. Let's go to the beach.
Sleep naked or with clothes?
With panties.
What's your favorite holiday?
Christmas.
7-Eleven, Family Mart, or Lawson?
7-Eleven!
Texting, chatting, or talking on the phone? What do you prefer?
Texting.
Giving or receiving presents?
Receiving.
Walk one station or take the train?
Walk.
What's your blood type, by the way?
Oh, I don't know. I knew it before, but I forgot.
What's the color of your panties?
Oh god.
Oh, she's looking.
Black.
Your mouth!
Right. Black.
What happened?
You can see. Thank you for doing this with me, Walfiata. You're the best. Thank you. One day I want to hear the answers from you, though.
Oh, no problem for me. Okay, so the next question. Are you ready?
Yes.